Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to use the TrendSpider Market Scanner so you can find top trading opportunities fast, whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or crypto. First off, log in to your TrendSpider account and go to the Market Scanner tab. This is where you can screen hundreds of assets based on technical conditions and trends. Next, choose your asset type, like stocks, forex, or crypto, then select a preset scan or build your own. You can filter by volume, trend strength, pattern recognition, and more. Here's a pro tip. Use scans like breakout watch list, strong uptrend, or overbought, oversold to instantly find tradable setups. Don't forget, customize your scan with indicators like RSI, MACD, or moving averages to match your personal trading style. Also, set up automated alerts so TrendSpider notifies you when new assets meet your criteria. So should you feel stuck finding good trades? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and start using the scanner like a pro. Let me know in the comments how you're using the TrendSpider Market Scanner and what strategy it's helping the most. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.